We're the land of the free, yeah, glorious indeed. From old Indus Valley to a new modernity, from the Brits to being free, we're a huge democracy. We had our Bapu Gandhi who marched the march of Dandi. He showed us a dream that all of us be free.
Yeah, 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 you and me, we all be so free.
My India, the land where dreams come true. Free enough for me, cool enough for you. My India, everyone's got a story. India, my country and my glory.
We're a million miles long, yet all of us get along. And nothing's really wrong, a place we all belong. Come join us in the song, we're big, we're tall and strong.
We're the land of the brave. We fought wars and been enslaved. Conquered lands and waves, laid down lives in graves.
Throw your hands up and wave, cause India is the rave.
My India, the land where dreams come true. Free enough for me, cool enough for you. My India, everyone's got a story. India, my country and my glory.
We got all religions, Hindus, Muslims, Christians. We pray and yeah, we listen. Our Taj Mahal it glistens. Our temples house our pigeons. We love all them religions.
We're the people that pray, sometimes 5 times a day. We're the land of the